Well, hi guys, welcome back. It's Pranavi. So, today we are going to unbox an iPhone 14 Silver Pro. So, let's start. So, first we are going to start with opening this. Here we go on the lower part. So now we are going to lift it up, not from a height. Okay, please come out. Yes. Wow, look at this. Isn't it beautiful? So this phone holds up to 256 GB. So let's keep this aside for a second. So this is the menu part. So this tells us information and it comes with a free sticker. We come with the charger. So we are going to peel this off. ASMR. Wow, look at it. Look at it. Isn't it beautiful? It's very admiring. So, bye. Thank you and have a very nice day ahead.